Good morning, and it's been a while. It's been a while, man. But yo, it's been man. College has been. I mean, it's been straight to be honest. It's been cool. I mean, I done met a lot of friends, and like I done like make friends on the court. That's how most people meet people by playing basketball and stuff like that. Yeah. But yeah, I got so much footage that I ain't even put up yet, man. It's crazy. But yeah, whoa, it's money calling. But yeah, today I'm just gonna take you on my everyday journey because today is like my full day. It's September the 13th. It's a Wednesday, so I got all my classes. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I got a lot of classes, but Tuesday and Thursday, I only got like 2 classes. But I'm just trying to let my phone charge just a little bit, just so I can head out. It's 9:17, and I don't gotta be to class till like 10, but I always get there like 9:50 to be on time to get good with this professor because I ain't even gonna fly. This is like the hardest subject. This gonna be my hardest subject. The one I'm gonna have to. This is gonna break me from not studying. But yeah, when I get through, let my phone charge. We're gonna be ready to go. Yes, man. It's been raining all week. So man, this just my outfit for the day because I'm tired of like messing up my shoes for this. And I don't really like going nowhere without looking presentable. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is my outfit for the day. Got my raincoat and some like shoes that's fashionable, but like still it's not, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I don't know who this. Let's see who was knocking at my door like this, man. Who is it? Here go one of these. What's up, fool?
Yo, how you doing the YouTube video?
Yeah, fool.
What's up, bro? You straight?
Yeah, I'm straight. I'm just trying to wait for my phone to charge.
Bro,
Oh, that was you.
When I say,
Come in, so dope. Gather all that crackling noise in here. You said what?
when I say my teacher said we ain't gonna have class for the next 2 weeks because of my baby shit. Somebody said he gonna send us an email.
Man asked me was a camera coming with me today. Of course y'all coming with me today. What's wrong? What's up, man?
What's up?
Yeah, just walking down the hall. Man, it been raining for the past couple of days. He said it ain't raining. I know it's raining outside. Hey, bro, what we doing today? We hooping?
Yeah, nah, I'm studying. I mean, we can though.
Nah, today I gotta study too.
I got to finish my flag card.
I still need to get some. My part of my see what I tell him, bruh. No, of course.
Not playing when you go card.
My bad. I had to make sure I didn't get wet and y'all didn't get wet. But yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all a little piece of campus of what I walk on. And then, but yeah, like I was saying, man, I got so much footage that I recorded for the first week. I still ain't put that stuff out. And I probably put it out after this one. Never know how I'm feeling. But yeah, when I get to the cafeteria, I'm gonna come back with y'all for sure though. Yeah. Yeah, man, I guess I gotta rewrap myself today because I got all the way to the cafeteria and get to finish swipe my card. I felt in my back pocket, and y'all already know what happened. Ooh, washing the puddle. Had to go all the way back to my spot just to get my wallet. So I said, oh nah. By that time, it's already now like 9:30. I'm not going back in there. But yeah, I'm on my way to class officially. But look at these people. I don't see how people can like literally walk through the rain without a jacket or an umbrella or even just ride their bike through it. So I'm gonna let you know something. It ain't gonna be me. It's not gonna be me. Man, just got out of class, artist of the day. Then I had to link up with these people, link up, just to start off. I ain't never tried this before, but it look good. Waiting on somebody else to get to the table. I'm glad, man, my roommate asked this question because I'm telling you, if it weren't for that, we would have definitely failed this test. Oh, God. But yeah, it's like 11:30 something. It's kind of still fair. It ain't expect that it would be around 12 or 1.
And the teacher kept switching and calling them different names for the same thing. I don't know about
Baby, so hey. What? Babe, you don't want to talk?
That's wrong. That's wrong.
So, she lucky she ain't got no more classes for today.
Okay, so it was my favorite.
What?
They ran out.
Man, so I just got done eating lunch. And like outside our lunch table, they had like different organizations like set up and stuff. And like the blood line was there. And it was like, do you want to donate blood? Like everybody else was like, I'm thinking about donating blood. They get to me. I said, I'm anemic. I ain't with all them needles and taking my blood. Now, what if I need some blood? I ain't got that pint because I just gave it to y'all. All for a t-shirt? Come on now. I'm not finna give y'all blood for a cotton t-shirt. That's not equally. There we go. Still walking. Got rain on the camera. But yeah, today's sleep going kinda good. My first class, the professor told us Friday, y'all can have a day off. That's wonderful. That's my first class of the day, so I guess I'll be sleeping in till like 11. 11 that day. What, no, 12. It's my first class Friday, because that's the class I'm going to now. We go another building that I'm passing. McComb Center. I don't know what they do. And then I'm approaching my building that I gotta go to. This big building. And I gotta go all the way to the 3rd floor. I mean, it's not really a big walk, but yeah, that's what I do. That's where I gotta go. Once I get in here and get me shook off of this rain and wet, I'll be right back with you. Man, so I just let me get my book back. Get feet back up. And I just got in this building. And this class is the class that I always have trouble finding. Because it's like no matter where I go, I end up on the wrong side of the house. And I go down the same way after class and I end up in the right spot. But yeah. So I'm the first one here in class. Wow. This is the first time I've done it since I've been here. But yo, after this class, I gotta run back to my room, get my laptop for my essay, and take it there. But so after this class, I'm gonna come right back with you. Get back right with you. Alright. Funny thing is, come to find out, the reason that I was the first one there because today we had a group meeting and it was all the way in the walking building. So which means I gotta walk from that side of the campus all the way over there. And that's where I was eating lunch in, so I could have really just stayed over there. But it looked like I wasn't the only one. Him and that man dude in the front thought the same thing. I don't know why he going that way. I'm going this way. You can hear something. I don't know why. This is the first time I'm hearing them playing like some type of music right here. I would hate for them to play this music when I have to walk from my 6 to 9 o'clock class. Cause hearing this music at night is not what's up.
Johnny, you accept that? What is the health and wellness educator? That's Miss Johnny Webster. We got a point for 100. That's team 5. Okay, team 5, you can read up 6. That's your 6th question. What members of what health departments are members of? Number 13, Tennessee and Martin. Don't listen to that. That wasn't correct. He's up. You go. You got 3 seconds. 2, 1, with your answer. That's incorrect. All right, number 3. Correct. So we're going to clear that out. You can buzz it. The last response. Can we bring up health department?
I was out of class early, so I got an hour and 30 minutes of free time. So I guess I'm gonna just head back to my room and get my computer to turn in my rep job for my last class of the day. But yeah, it was kind of fun. I mean, being late, I had to sit all the way in the back. But yeah, and get back. I think I'm probably finna take a nap, probably a 30-minute nap. I just stepped in some big puddle of water. Big puddle of water, man. My hope tomorrow is not like this because I don't even like, I love taking showers, but I hate getting my clothes wet. I don't know why I'm like that, but I'm just like that. And I honestly didn't even want to get this jacket wet, and I got it just for this. No, I actually got it because it looked fashionable when I tried it on. But it's called a raincoat. That's crazy. But yeah, I'm finna head back into my room. Probably take a little 30-minute, 45-minute nap. And my girl don't call me or whatever. Well, if I don't call her, same thing really. But yeah. Now you know what? I'm gonna call my mama, talk to her. I talk to her every day, but I guess it's a perfect time to talk to her. Because after this class right here, you already know what people do in the rain and on rainy days. I ain't even gonna tell you what I smell. Man. Oh yeah. Hold on, let me hit the light because I know it's dark here. But I know, It's dark. But yeah, let me fix my hair right quick. My light went out, so I had to use this Jalen mirror. I know he don't mind, because I ain't touching none of his. I just want to touch his light. Yeah, but today actually been a good, on collar jump. Oh, let me set this down. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead and read a little bit of my book, which I think is gonna be my hardest class this semester. But like I really been trying to get in good with the professor, just for this reason, because I know it's gonna be hard. Everyone says that I picked the wrong professor to get in, but God got me. But I ain't want to get all gospelly on you right then, but it's the truth. But yeah, I'm finna fix it, get up out of this stuff. Well, now I ain't even finna get out of this stuff. I'm finna actually lay on the floor and all that. I mean, I'm being honest. I think I've started this college life well, but I think I'm like beginning to talk too much right now. So I'm finna take a nap before this last class, then get out this next class, take another nap, study. But I'm gonna come back with you when I'm finna head back to my last class, which is English. So yeah, my English class let us out early, so I decided to come home. Well, not home, but to my room to take a nap. And I only wanted to sleep till like 4:30, but it's like 5. It's 5:30 right now, so I'm finna put my jeans back on and go get something to eat, study for a couple hours, and call it a night, because the rain has got me. It has really got me. But I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, I'm out.
Tonight I'm going out with the guys.